Alright guys, this is my first time opening a durian this year. I've not opened durian for 1 year, so this durian is the RI6 version of Vietnam, and then it's about maybe 3.5 to 4 kilo, quite a medium size. If you look carefully, there are some little cracks. It means it's already ripe, so it's time to open it. If not, then it'll be too ripe and not suitable to eat. You see the flesh coming out later. So I prepared a small knife here, a medium knife to cut it. The stem has just dropped right here, so I put it aside. Let's get started. Okay, since it's already open here, I'll just open it slightly and it will just come out. I don't think a knife is needed. Actually, I wanted to open this durian like yesterday, but I did not have the time yet. I was doing other videos, so today when I return home, I decided it must open. I must open this. If not, it'll be overripe and then not suitable to eat anymore. Oh, I think it's still nice and ripe. Oh, look at this. Wow, it's amazing, guys. Okay, something is missing here. There's supposed to be, I think there's supposed to be durian here and this side, and then now it's not missing. But the good news is I see the flesh is like yummy, still yummy, yellowish. Not much of the water. It's just so supple and fresh looking, except this part is black color. It means it's a bit overripe, but underneath there are some more durian, so I'll just open part by part. This part first inside. For this, you'll need a knife, but before that, let's take out this durian and put it on the plate. Just a moment. Okay, there's a technique to actually transfer the flesh. There will be like one side of the hand support the right side of the durian if you are right-handed, and then you use your left hand. Advisable to wear some glove. Then you just, okay, there's a better way. Use your right thumb and then just kind of like pull out the durian seeds like this, but without damaging the flesh, so that intact. Okay. This way. You guys look carefully. It's coming out, and then you kind of rotate the durian. Dun, 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 dun. Now you have fresh looking durians right here, and I just put it on this plate here, the black color plate, one side first. Alright, I'm gonna tackle the below. I think there's some more. I'm not wrong. It could not be just like this. There should be more inside. So this knife here, oh, it goes in so easily. It's super ripe now. Normally the durian is not easy to open. You need a lot of technique and a bit of strength. So I'm testing the inside. It's like, oh, you hear the sound? Okay, now see the flesh inside. It's very easy to open now. Oh, there's some more here. Alright. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, this is amazing. Wow. Alright, the next step is to extract or remove the durian seeds. Once again, slowly use your right thumb and just push up slowly. Oh, it comes up perfectly, guys. I like this. This one seems to be more delicious, more yummy than the previous one. If you like sort of compare it, that's how I'll remove. I take out the center part. This area, this fresh, and then this the newer one, the latest one. Just put it here. Oh, look at it. It's much yellow. Alright, I don't think there are any more flesh inside these two durian covering, but I'll continue to open the other one, the other remaining 50% right here. Before that, as usual, I'm going to remove, extract this, the flesh here. It's a bit tricky because the durian is actually quite big, and then if you have small hands, it's not so easy. Then maybe you have to use a little knife or something to take out the durian seeds, the flesh, everything. Ho, I like this. The white color is actually sticks to the durian this part, so it's normal. It's kind of dry when you eat it, but it's normal. Oh, this is also good. Put it on the bread. Then tackle this. Alright, this time I'm going to try use my thumb and hands to split open. Oh, it just came out so easily. The reason is because it's really wrapped now, so you don't need a lot of effort. I think even a kid can do it. But please wear a glove, a pair of gloves, or something to protect your hands. If not, you may get cut from the thorns. Right now, I have this durian here. I'm going to remove it. I think I'm going to split it open once and into half again. Oh, perfect. And remove this part. Let me just smell it. Fragrant. Remember I told you about the right thumb removing, and because it's so wrapped, you can use your left finger to sort of adjust to give you like more room, more space to take out the durian. And here we have it. This is the last portion of the durian. Look at it, it's just so amazingly super fresh and yummy looking. But then I've already eaten my dinner, so I'll eat this tomorrow morning. It's a bit tricky here because the last set is not so proportionate, so there's some technique to take it out. Use your fingers and try to scrape the durian seeds out. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, perfect. Another perfect durian. RI6 durian. This RI6 durian of Vietnam is categorized by a big seed, yellow flesh, and then it's some kind of dry durian, and then it's really sweet. It's really yummy. The other durian will be the monton, which will be ripe in about 1 month's time. That will be like more fresh and more kind of bubbly feeling. When you eat the monton durians, it's like they are more fresh to eat, and then it's a little bit more watery. But that's another story. When the monton durians are ready, I think I'll make another video to open the durian. Show you guys. So right now, all these durian husks inside, they are no more fresh. Anyone who has eaten durian will know this perfectly, right? So this around here, and then the durians take out is here. The 2 braids. This is second braid, and this one is the first braid. By the way, the last seed on the right side is not open from today's durian. This is for the previous durian, so you can exclude it. But then it's still really ripe and looking. You look at this. I put in the fridge, and then if you put in the fridge, right, it actually tastes better than when you just open and eat it. It's kind of hard to explain, but this is how it works. So with all these durians, I can eat at least 2 more days. Normally one day I just take like 3 little seeds, so you just see how many. There are like 5 of these, so maybe 3 days. Looks good. So yeah, thanks for watching this video once again. If you enjoy this video, can consider subscribe to my channel, and then like this video and leave a comment if you think these durians are delicious, are yummy. Have you ever tried the durian, R6 durians? Alright guys, this is an impromptu video I thought of doing today because I am a durian lover, and I really want to share my love, passion for the durians with you guys. So one way to do it will be to show you guys how the durians are open, and then maybe I'll make another video on myself eating the durians maybe tomorrow, because after this it's time to sleep. Alright. Yeah. Take care, guys. I wish every one of you stay safe and healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe share this video so that the video can be seen by more people in YouTube. Because once more people like, share, and subscribe, and then the video will be promoted, will be recommended to more viewers. Alright, guys. So if you are in Vietnam now, Saigon, I would love to treat you guys one of these durians. Let me know, comment if you are in Saigon. Okay, guys, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.